Okay, fourth grade mathers, look, this is a cool lesson today, page 247 and 248. Make sure you go there in your book. We're adding and subtracting mixed numbers. Look, whether or not you remember how to add and subtract fractions, today is going to be a really good and helpful lesson. And there is nothing on the back of your paper today on page 248 that you need help on. You can do that all by yourself, so we have some time to help you with the front of this book, with the front of this lesson, okay? Anybody know what this animal is, by the way? It's a little baby one. What is that? A rhinoceros. Okay, so in English, rhinoceros, just to let you know, okay? So, look at your examples. Adding and subtracting mixed numbers. Look what it says in your instructions. Put your finger on the blue box. It says on number 1, first, add or subtract the fractions. Read number 2. Then, add or subtract the whole numbers. Okay, these are mixed numbers. Remember, what are mixed numbers? Numbers that combine whole numbers with fractions. So it says to do your fractions first, then your whole numbers. Make sure you follow those instructions, you guys, because that will help you later, I promise. So here we go. 3 11ths plus 2 11ths. Tell me if I'm right when I write the answer. 3 11ths plus 2 11ths. Is that right? Raise your hand for yes. Raise your hand for no. I raise my hand for no. Why? Why is that not right? 3 11ths plus 2 11ths. 11 plus 11 is 22. 3 plus 2 is 5. So 5 over 22, that's the answer, right? No. No, remember in adding or subtracting fractions, what do you need to do? Never, ever, 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 ever add the what? Denominators. What are your denominators? The ones on the bottom. Okay, you guys, look. When you're adding and subtracting fractions, it is important to look at the denominator. It is important to decide whether or not this denominator plus and this denominator are the same. If they're the same, you can add the fractions. But if they are not the same, you cannot add these fractions, okay? So they are the same. So what's your denominator down here going to be? 11. It never changes after that, okay? If they are the same, it never changes. You cannot add the denominators. You want to know why? Because think about it. Let's make a square that has 11, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There we go. We have 11. We're going to add 3 11ths. Here we go. 3 11. 1, 2, 3. We're going to add 2 more 2 11ths. 1, 2. How many do you have? You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But how many pieces did you have in the pizza or in the sub or in the sandwich? What? The chocolate bar. Okay, how many pieces do you still have? You have 11. Did you ever make 22 pieces? No. If you didn't make 22 pieces, now you have 5 over what? 11. So 3 11ths plus 2 11ths equals 5 over 11. This never changed. The amount of pieces that you made in the chocolate bar never changed. And it's not 22. There's not 22 pieces here anymore. So 11 has to stay the same. Okay? Then what do our instructions tell us? It tells us to do the whole numbers. So here we go. 5 plus 7, 12. So there's your answer for the mixed number. 12 and 5 11ths. Okay. Now we're going to subtract. Subtracting, do you change the denominators? No, no, no. You just check. Are they the same denominators? Yes, they are. 3 and 3, right? So what's your denominator going to be down here? 3. Now, don't forget you're subtracting. That is the thing that everyone does. That is the error. Everyone forgets that they're subtracting. Here we go. Don't forget. What's 2 minus 1? 1. What's 9 minus 4? 5. And there's your answer. This lesson is fácil.